Okay, so this is denim jacket I made, and that's the easiest from all three projects I did. It literally requires fabric glue and stickers. So I collected a bunch of stars, and I thought the denim jacket will be fun for like evening for the fireworks. And I just basically used I have quite a few of them left, different sizes, different colors of stars, and I used the fabric glue and I glued them on. And I stayed away from the back of the jacket. I wanted to be plain, and I started from the big stars on my shoulders, and I was slowly going smaller and smaller, and I thought the jacket will be fun for any 4th of July outfit. It's literally 20 minutes job.